Dorothy, and I'm back again with that scrapbooking, and I am going to make one more card for, this is not really Christmas, this is kind of winter, a winter card. And I'm using the most recent Atlantic Card Sketch Challenge for this particular design. So I am going to use a sapphire background. Now this paper is from the Gnomes for Winter collection, which is available right now. And look at those gorgeous colors. They're pine and periwinkle in it. And I personally love, and I think it's because I grew up with snow and I'm not in it in Texas, but I love snow scenes and I love snow and I love snowflakes. I buy all the thin cut snowflakes, just have a thing. And so I am using the snowflake paper, and the plaid is from the opposite side of the snowflakes. So the top piece is cut at 1 3/4 by 5 1/4, and of course the sapphire is cut at 5 1/2 by 4 1/4. So this additional piece, now the middle piece there of the plaid is 3/4 of an inch by 5 1/4. The snowflake is one of the things that I've had cut from last year, and I'm just using up all of those things from making Christmas cards last year. And this little piece of sapphire is cut at 2 by 2. So the snowflake is just about 2 by 2. So I want to put a sentiment going across the center of the snowflake, but I don't want to take up a lot of room. So I had one sentiment from the one of the sets that I've been using, but I don't want it 3 lines long. So I went back into my stamp stash, and I found this one from quite a long time ago, Comfort and Joy, and it has sending warm wishes your way. And that's really the sentiment that I wanted to send to this. I have a particular person in mind for this card. And it's not really appropriate to send a Christmas card. It's a different religion, which is, great, but, it's not for Christmas. So I am sending warm wishes your way. And that to me is just perfect. I'm in the sending out cards mood, which I don't get in very often. And so I'm getting all my Christmas cards sent out and had a few more to make. And then this one is a special card to a really, really special person. And so this paper, the White Daisy, I cut at 3/8 of an inch. And I did a little banner cut on each end. And I thought, okay, this is just perfect, and it's not going to take up too much of the snowflake. So I'm putting kind of a thick piece. It's narrow. It's 1/4 of an inch foam cut, but it's a 1/4 of it. Anyway, I cut it at 3/8 of an inch. So just a perfect size for this sentiment. And so I really like the way this looks. So I'm going to add a few more things to it, but I kind of wanted to show you the paper that I'm using. So this is the Gnomes for the Winter. And here's the sticker set that it's good for scrapbook pages because it's got several titles. Here's the nice stripe with, fun words. And there's the snowflake paper with the plaid. And here's this adorable sledding and mittens and little hats and the gnomes. There are the gnomes, the little girl and the little guy gnome with the snowman. So super, super cute paper and totally perfect for any of your snow time endeavors this time of year. There's also a stamp set and thin cut that I got, and you can cut out the sled and the little snowman and really pretty snowflakes on this. And there's three good titles for scrapbooking. So I'm going to go ahead, and I like that snowflake. So of course I have to use the snowflake because it's a snowflake. But there's also this absolutely adorable snowman. And I thought, this is, it's always kind of good to try to send smiles to someone if you can. And so this little snowman is going to help me send a smile. He kind of looks like he's waving. So he's super cute. And I just inked him in periwinkle. And because I didn't use the snowflake back there, I'm going to use the snowflake inside. And I don't want to make a bold statement with the sapphire ink. So I'm going to just use the same periwinkle. And I'm just kind of trying to think of what am I going to do with it? Where am I going to put it? And this would be good to do a second generation. You could put a whole snow scene over the inside there of second generation snowflakes, and that would be real pretty. And then put your main sentiment. I wish I had thought of that when I was making it. That's kind of a good idea. I'm putting the main sentiment on the inside, and it says, and this is going in the sapphire, so it's going to be very bold. Just making sure I get a good impression with the stamps, since these are brand new stamps. With lots of love. So there we go. So there's my card. And then I'm going to go ahead and put the snowman on the outside of the envelope, because it's what I have to do. Kind of like to make things match. So there's my little snowman. And I'm going to go ahead and put the snowflake down at the other end of the card, which I normally don't do. But you know what? It's a snowflake and I have to. So there's my card and my envelope. I hope that you like this. Let me know. The papers are absolutely adorable and absolutely available. So that is called the Gnomes for Winter Scrapbooking Stamp Set and Thin Cut. So there we are. And I love the combination of colors there. And now I've got to make some scrapbook pages. Oh, I don't know why it made that different color. Okay, so hope you enjoyed watching it. Let me know. Leave me a comment if you will. And thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Bye now.
Hi, I'm Dorothy Smith. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and learn along with me. Thanks. Bye-bye.